Watch this channel to catch more fish because you will see
the world-class boat builders, rod builders, reel builders, lure companies, tournament anglers, and fishing guides. Let us know if you have any suggestions in the comments section below. And please hit the like and subscribe button.
Hey guys, it's February, and on this edition of Tower Talk TV, we're gonna run over to the Houston Fishing Show and check out what all the rave is about on the new Bates fishing reels. These are some really cool custom one-piece fishing reels. We're gonna meet up with the guys. These things are made right here in Texas, Dallas, Texas. They're big on the freshwater scene and they're steadily gaining popularity over here in the saltwater scene.
We're at the Houston Fishing Show in Texas. Bates is a Texas brand as well. This is the 49th annual show. What we're doing and displaying this year is we're showing our bait caster. This is how we start out with our bait caster. Very unique product. We start with a bar stock aluminum and we machine this down, and there's a process that we go down and we get all the way to what you see here. This is done on a 5-axis machine, and we use a rotating cup to hit all 9 axes. So if you do a little research on our company, we'll show you some CNC videos in our marketing that showed the reel going around and going through the process. The final product is what you see here. This is the Hundo. It's 5 ounces. It is anodized gunmetal. We're the only manufacturer in the entire world that does this with a low profile bait caster. Stainless steel screws on the outside, as well as holding the frame in. These are all machine screws that do that. We've got a braking system. That braking system is a patented braking system. It comes off this side plate here. It's a centrifugal system with a magnetic. So what that means is, on your spool, we have a cup here. And if we can show you on the camera, this cup, as it moves, it goes higher as it goes up. So when you're casting, this cup will come out. As that cup comes out, here's the side plate of the reel. Inside that side plate, that cup, the magnets will slow it down and allow it to retrieve the way that it needs to and stop your spool from overspooling or backlashing. So on the cup, as it moves, and this is showing if the reel were spinning, the line out as you're casting. That cup will go in or go up as it is now into the matrix braking system, and these magnets inside of here will slow that cup down as it's casting. So depending on your speed, that cup will go faster and will stay in the magnet. As you cast slower, that magnet will stay, that spool will stay out of the magnet, allowing it to free spool the way that it needs to let the line out. Now there is an adjustment on the spool as well. Inside that adjustment on the spool, what you'll see, if you hold the outside, the red portion here, and you move with your index finger, this white section, there's 3 clicks, okay, that you'll find. And those clicks inside of that spool that you'll see allow that brake to be tightened or loosened, which is allowing for the rise of this cup, okay? So if I turn this spool to my right, I'm loosening the brake, okay? If I turn this spool to my left as I'm holding it, I'm tightening the brake, which means it's going to brake more, and this cup is going to extend more into the magnetic braking. We have several different models. We've got the Goat. The Goat is a 150 size reel, has a titanium crank arm, and anodized aluminum gear, okay? So what you'll see, some unique characteristics, of course, is the one-piece block, okay? That's how it works. And the titanium crank arm's 110 millimeter, giving you a little more cranking power than most reels on the market right now. We have a single braking system on the reel. That's a magnetic braking system that we use. And if you see the angle there, you'll see your magnetic with your spool. Gives you a lot more casting distance compared to too much braking on a dual braking system. That's a spring-loaded side cap. You can take spools out and interchange spools also. So if you're on the boat, you're casting out, for some reason you did get backlash or you do have an issue, you can pop that spool out and pop another pre-lined spool in to get going. So this is our salty model. What the difference is in the salty and in the goat model, other than color, this is an anodized blue that we do, is we have a brass gear, which is designed and engineered in the USA by us, as well as the reel frame, right here in Texas. And we also have a stainless steel shaft on this reel. The shaft is this portion that's coming through and holding this crank arm and allowing your gears to move. Your pinion and your main gear are both brass gears, okay? As well as the stainless steel shaft and stainless steel washers is what makes this reel. This is a $299 and this is a $329 reel. That's what makes it $30 more, is you're paying for the materials to make this more saltwater, corrosion resistant than our other reels that are on the market right now. Also a titanium crank arm on this reel with a stainless steel screw on the outside of that crank arm. Yeah, so we've got guys using these in the fresh and the saltwater market. I would say that in the freshwater market, we're seeing a lot of the bigger swim bait guys throwing our reels because it's a 150 size reel with a 20-pound drag. They're able to throw the bigger swim baits, the bigger lures, and not tear up their gears. As far as our saltwater guys, anybody that's doing wade fishing right now, the 5-ounce reel has definitely been a game changer for a lot of them. Taking an all aluminum anodized reel out to the water instead of a plastic frame reel is really setting the standard with what we're doing. We're pushing our competitors to make their product better because we're making it better.